Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a iMessage and FaceTime activation problem on iPhone. So guys, when you want to turn on your iMessage and FaceTime and facing any kind of problem related activation, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem, so let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, scroll it below, and guys from here you need to click on message, and guys you need to turn on your iMessage from here. And guys below you need to select your Gmail address, and guys after doing this you need to click on FaceTime and turn on as well. So guys, if you have any kind of problem, then guys maybe there is a bug on your phone, so guys easily you can fix this problem. So guys, first of all you need to open your settings, and guys you need to scroll it below, and guys here is the option of general. Simply you need to click on this one, and guys you need to scroll it below, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys you need to reset your settings only. And guys after doing this you need to check VPN connection. If you have connected any kind of VPN, then guys you need to disconnect your VPN. And guys at last you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, if you have any kind of update here, you need to update your iPhone to latest version, and guys after doing all the things your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.